since we're on the topic of birthdays, do you know whose birthday is coming up right now? I forgot. What? How do you not know my own birthday? I've been friends with you for 10 years, you dummy.
Ow. Dude, I forgot, I'm sorry. Let's just do a celebration dance, bro.
Alright then. Yeah, but I don't think you're gonna be able to do it because it looks like you broke your back.
Nah, dude, I'm good.
Ow. Doesn't look like you are, bro. You can just sit this one out. I'll do it by myself.
That was tiring.